This video is meant to be an example of what a possible rock, paper, scissors project can look like in Python, and in particular I am using the Codesters environment to create it. However, I am not using any of the Codester features. I'm using the Python console totally. So I'm not using any of the special Codester classes, so I think this can apply to anybody who wants to write a rock, paper, scissors project in Python. Codesters does use Python 2.7, so there may be features that I am not able to use, or maybe they're slightly different if you're using a more current version of Python. But with that being said, I would like to just show mostly just the user flow for this rather than the details, because I would like my students, who this video is being made for, to try it themselves. I will make this project available to you. I'll even put a link in the description below if you want to go in there and look at it and try and figure out what's happening. You may want to do things differently than I'm doing them. There may be some things I'm using that you aren't sure how to use. There's always more than one way to do things, and I encourage you, if you don't understand a way I'm doing a particular thing, to try a different way to do it, and I'm sure you can. But here's an example of what the code might look like when it's run. In Codesters, you have a little coding area where you put all the code, and that's all in here. And then you press this little green run button to get it to run, and there it is. I print to my console, welcome to rock, paper, scissors. You will choose rock, paper, scissors. I, meaning the computer, will choose the same. The winner is determined as follows. Rock beats scissors, because it crushes them. Scissors beat paper, because you can cut it. And paper beats rock, because it covers it. All right, those are the rules. So what's your choice? Type rock, paper, or scissors. So let's say I want to choose rock. The computer tells me right here, the computer is choosing scissors. So the player wins, and then it gives me the score. So the player has 1 point, the computer has 0. Then it asks if I want to play again. I'm going to say yes, I do. And I actually coded it. You can either type all the letters yes or just a Y. Okay, so we're going again. What's my choice as the player? Maybe this time I'll go with paper. And the computer also chose paper. It's a tie. Nothing changes. We don't change the score in a tie. So let's play another round. So maybe I'll try scissors. Now what if I spell scissors incorrect? That's a hard word to spell. So my code will catch if they don't enter their input correctly. So that might be a feature you might want to add after you get the regular path working. Let's see if I can type it correctly this time. In scissors, so did the computer. It's a tie, nothing changed, so let's play around. I want to see what happens if I get more points. I'm trying paper again. Another tie. Wow. Try it again. Okay, so I chose paper, the computer chose scissors. Scissors cut paper, the computer does win, so now we're 1-1. Let's keep playing till at least one of us wins. Type in yes this time. What am I going to choose? I'm going to choose rock. The computer chose paper. Paper covers rock. The computer wins, and the computer beats me. I'm going to say no at this point. I don't want to play anymore. And it gives me a final score and tells me thank you for playing. So this is just an example of what the actual flow might look like. Yours can obviously be different, but I just wanted you to see it first. And I encourage you to go ahead and follow the link to this project to look at the code and see if it can give you some ideas if you're getting stuck. So thank you for watching.